Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to briefly discuss the General Data Protection Regulation for the operations you may have via email with citizens from the EU. Now, Amazon has an extensive, frequently asked questions section that's worth reading even if you choose not to use AWS. However, to go over the entire section would be beyond the scope of this course. There are a few things that are going to be pertinent as you begin to set up your AWS. First, that as a cloud provider, Amazon is choosing to abide by a certain code of conduct with the CIS-PE. The built-in security features of Amazon SES using the IAM system only allows authorized administrators access to the data that you will be keeping with the email addresses in the SES system. In addition to that, data is encrypted with Amazon SES as well as monitored and logged. And as of the recording of this video, Amazon's services are compliant with GDPR. For all of its cloud-based systems, Amazon has a system in place for you to be able to delete content from the system. And finally, by having complied with the CIS-PE and using Amazon SES, you will have the information available to prove that the system you're using is in compliance. And once again, Amazon's section on GDPR is extensive and worth a read. And you can find it in the address on your screen. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.